Hello and welcome back to our regular expression course here on freeCodeCamp. We are on match all letters and numbers. It says, using character classes, you were able to search for all letters of the alphabet with this here character class, A through Z, right? It says this kind of character class is common enough that there is a shortcut for it, although it includes a few extra characters as well. So the closest character class in JavaScript to match the alphabet is \W. This shortcut is equal to, we have the same character class over here that we learned a few lessons ago, which is A through Z, and then that targets capitals. Lowercase a through Z will target lowercase, and then 0 through 9 targets our numbers. And then this also will do I forgot what that's called, underscore. So, underscore character. It says this character class matches upper and lowercase letters plus numbers. Note this character class also includes the underscore character. So, doing it longhand would be this here. Shorthand would be this here. It says let numbers 42 is a variable. Let var names be important var. So if we test the longhand test and we throw in that numbers, it's going to come back true because we're looking for alphabet and numbers. The shorthand will also return true because, again, it does the same thing that this one here did. Then our longhand test var names returns true because, again, it's matching alphabet and underscores. So returns true, and so does the shorthand because, again, it does the same thing. So these shortcut character classes are also known as shorthand character classes. Use the shorthand character class \W to count the number of alphanumeric characters in various quotes and strings. It says various, so we're doing more than one, which would be our global flag. So if we come out of here, we can see here change. We're only changing this one line. And as it showed us here, we're doing that \W. And we are doing global. This here, the result, should give us the length of all the characters in here minus the spaces and the period. I won't go and count it, but we can easily go in here and console log it. And console log result, that gives us 31. So there should be 31 characters in here, not including the spaces or the period. Let's run test. And we did pass. So what we learned here, again, is how to shorthand and match all the alphabet and numbers and underscores. So as long as you guys are getting that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.